Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sustainably Styled. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of IKEA hacks. With a little creativity and some insider tips, you can elevate those affordable finds into pieces that look like they belong in a magazine. Whether you're working with a tight budget or just love a good DIY project, get ready to be inspired. Let's get hacking. Let's start with a simple but impactful upgrade: curtains. IKEA has some beautiful and affordable options like their velvet Sunella curtains. But here's the key: double up. Hanging 2 layers of curtains on each side instantly adds volume and makes your windows look grander. And to polish off the look, use curtain clips instead of standard rings. Rugs add instant warmth and texture to your floors. If you need to cover more ground, try laying 2 identical rugs side by side, or go for a layered look. Use a larger neutral rug as your base, and then layer a smaller rug with a bolder pattern on top. This adds dimension and that curated designer vibe. Don't be afraid to use multiple coffee tables instead of just one. It's great for larger living spaces. Try grouping 2 or 3 IKEA coffee tables together, playing with different heights and materials. Okay, this next tip is crucial. Don't buy everything from IKEA. Mix in vintage finds, family heirlooms, or pieces you've collected during your travels. It's all about adding personal touches that make your space feel warm and uniquely you. Plus, IKEA offers sustainable furniture options that contribute to a healthier planet. Want that sleek, built-in look without the hefty price tag? Match the color of your IKEA furniture to your walls. A black Billy bookcase against a dark charcoal wall instantly blends in, creating the illusion of a custom built-in. Lighting is everything when it comes to creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't rely on just one overhead light. Add table lamps, floor lamps, and sconces to create a soft, diffused glow. Skip the IKEA icons. Avoid the most recognizable pieces like the Kallax shelf unit to make your home stand out. Look for lesser-known pieces with interesting shapes, textures, or details. Billy Bookcase Makeover. To elevate the look, try removing a few shelves. This creates space for larger accessories, artwork, or baskets. It's all about creating visual balance and making your bookcase feel more curated. Go big with accessories. Use oversized accessories like large-scale artwork, sculptural vases, or stacks of coffee table books. These statement pieces add drama and sophistication, instantly elevating the entire space. Creating your dream home. So there you have it, my top tips for transforming your home with IKEA. Remember, it's all about getting creative and injecting your personal style into every detail. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Sustainably Styled for more design inspiration. Share your own IKEA hacks in the comments below. I love seeing your creativity. Until next time.